Affirm. It's out of Colorado. How you doing? 101. Got you 101 miles an hour. You have your license proof insurance on you? Yeah, I got her at 92. Yeah, what's in there? License or? I don't need registration, I just need license proof insurance. What's your social security number? Sanders. Are you, do you have a Ohio driver's license? Okay, what's your first name? Shedeur. Do you have a Colorado driver's license? Alright. Alright, hang tight, I'll be back to you in a minute. Okay, do you have a phone number for me, sir? It's just my partner. Just back up. He's not doing anything. What was it? Oh, I'm gonna cut you a break. I'm not gonna give her a ticket. Like I said, I got her at 92, but 101. I got a dash cam and stuff, man. Like.
I don't remember that, but I'll take your word.
Okay. All right. I appreciate it. It is going to be waiverable. Okay. Your state where you're at has an agreement with Ohio that if you don't take care of the ticket, they will suspend your Mississippi license, okay? So there's a phone number and all that on the back. If you just want to sign here by the X, it's just stating that you're going to take care of the citation. If you don't, they can suspend your license, okay? Yeah, just pay it or call it. Call the number on the back. Your license is under there too, so you don't drop it. Turn to the side. To the side in the front. And then right there, next where it says member of RNVC, there's an X there if you want to sign it there. Yeah. Okay. Okay. All right, man. Appreciate it. How fast do you think you're going if you don't think you're at 101? Because I know this truck supercharged, it will do it. Oh, you gave it to me a little late. Who's it from?
Is that from BODYCAM?
Can't read it. I don't know who that is. You already wrote it, man. You got to give that to me before. I'm going to give your girl a break, okay? I'm colorblind. Okay, the phone number, address is on the back here, okay? I'm gonna go up, give her license back, and then when I come back, then pull out and be safe here, okay? What'd you say, Sarge?
Nope.
Oh, you good? Oh, yeah.